Here's the Hot Wheels Track Builder set Blast Mission. It's a launcher set with 2 stunts. Warning, small parts, not for children under 3. And here's everything out of the box. Before I start, let me show you how the missile part works. There's a tab over here, and there's a tab over here. Put this in like this, and lock it in place like that. So when the car hits the wing, it launches the missile. Now let's assemble the set. So here's the set all fully assembled. Just barely fits my table. So the 2 stunts here are missile launcher and rocket launcher. That's the rocket launcher over there, missile launcher over here. You have 2 extra connectors in case you want to connect something else. And there's the vehicle that came with the set, Off Track in magenta. Okay, pull the launcher all the way back. Ready, set, go! Just so you know, with the missile launch part, you got 6 tabs over here. So you can put 2 over here, 1 over here, or put 2 over here and 1 over here. Whichever you choose. Now let's throw in this Track Builder 5-pack.